All right, this is my second McCulloch Pro Mac 1010 that I have for sale. This is the one that to me is not in the nicest condition as far as the other one goes, but it's in pretty damn good shape. This one is missing a whole side on the air grill, but you could easily use some wire mesh and fix that. But I never had any problems with it. I don't run these saws every day, and my shoulder's starting to hurt me more and more, so kind of changing them up to go to decomp saws. So anyway, this one, like I said, it's not in the goodest condition as the other one, but it sure starts and runs just like it. So I'll do a cold, as I said in the other video, it was like 85, so it's about 82 in here. Both come with saws and, or saws. Both come with a bar and chain. I think this one is a 16. I think the other one is an 18, maybe a 20. I'm not quite for sure. Let's see, plenty cold. Relative turn. All right, choke out, ignition on. There she goes. She still runs good.